How to find all your Google Chrome history. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your Google Chrome history on uh, on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now all you need to do is click on those 3 points up there, and you have the option number 3, which is history. Click on it, and here you have all your Google Chrome history from the beginning until now, from the newest to the oldest one. And you can delete one of them by click on the X by like this, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.